So today's video, went out to the little Boca Inlet there. Usually don't catch too many big fish there, but had some nice surprises today. So I'm not gonna yap too much. We'll just get straight into the video. Got a water spout. That's kind of cool. I've never seen that before. I'm hoping it stays out there. Huh. I don't know. We're gonna see if anything happens here. Oh. Got a little snapper. Just a baby. Better than nothing though. Hopefully get a big one. Hopefully. The sky is looking rough though. It's just a water spout over there. We got dark skies all around us. So I don't know how this is gonna go. Hopefully it's some bigger snappers. Get bit. There he is. And another little guy. A bunch of tiny ones. Out here, man. Might get some big snappers, that'd be nice. Better snapper. Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's what we're looking for. Nice. That's a good one. Let's measure them up. It's about a 12-incher. 0. It's just about 12. 12-inch fish right there. It's dinner. Yes, sir. I think we got a shark. Yep. Nurse shark. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. I knew it as soon as I hooked this fish. I knew it was going to be a shark. By the way he pulled, felt like a giant piece of seaweed. Big old gummy. Might have to get him down by the beach here. The easiest way to land him. Unless he breaks me off, which I wouldn't be honestly complaining if he did. It's not a bad little nurse shark. Fun size. Kid better watch out. Oh yeah. Come here. Come here. He doesn't want to be over here. Nothing to do with me. Come on. I don't know how he hasn't broken me off. not want to give up. Making it easy for me. There we go. Little nurse shark.
Take it home for the tape, right?
What's that?
Take it home for the tape, right? Take it home for decoration.
Okay.
I wanna hold it. Oh wow.
Very strong.
Wow.
Woo. Be careful. There he goes. Big snook. Big fish. Big fish. Big snook. And I have a plastic bag on my line. Not sure how. Come here. Not good. Good. I like when he swims this way. Keep swimming this way. Please. Big snook. What the freak is this? Woo-hoo-hoo. Going the wrong way. I don't like him going that way. Come back. Yep, good. Keep coming this way. Woo. Good. Thing slammed it. Oh, it's like a slot-sized fish, I'd say. Maybe a tiny bit over. Oh yeah. That's a good one. Well, finally gonna have to retie. See. Come here. Yup. There we go. Nice snook right there. Hell yeah. take it. I'll take that all day. About 35, 36. There we go. Big old snooky. Love to see it. It's my first snook here at the Boca Inlet. I've caught him in other spots before, but it's my first one here. I'll let him go at the beach here. Woo. There she goes. Nice. Little baby. Baby snapper. Stop fishing for a little bit. We're gonna wait out this storm. Shouldn't be too long. But I really misjudged the size of that snook. I thought that was like maybe a 30-incher, but that thing was like probably 36, 35 and a half, 36 inches. Well, that's it for today's video. Rain didn't stop, so we left. That's a good first video for Boca for this year. I wasn't expecting that big snook, I'm not gonna lie to you. It was on a greenie about this big, and I was fishing for snapper. That thing just destroyed it. The shark was cool too, but it's always nice to get a big snook, especially in an area where I haven't caught one like that yet. Did get some good tarpon there. I don't know, a couple of days ago, put one of my buddies on a tarpon, but snook, that's a tough inlet to get snook at. To get really any big fish other than barracuda. I've seen a lot of cudas there, but that's it. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. The last two videos did pretty good. Over 1,000 views. Well, for me, that's pretty good. So, wanted to thank you all for that, and see y'all in the next video. Peace.